Well, okay, but let's go through that. Like, so if you buy 20 solar stocks, why is that useless?
Because there's no additionality base. Not no, there is such a tiny amount of additionality that basically it's basically no additionality. So it's secondary market. It doesn't affect the company. You're buying and selling between and among investors. The money doesn't go back to the company. I've reviewed all of the studies on this. Basically, it's hard to find any real impact from that.
What about if you just think that's a an industry that will grow?
Sure, but then you're not having an impact.
Okay, all right, fair enough. Maybe I'm confusing the fact that impact has to be private. Does it have to be in the private markets?
I
Because
think
I
it
hear like
has to be
oppor
debt or private markets because that it has to be a primary market transaction.
Yeah,
That
right.
might.
Okay. I mean, let's face it though. I mean, enough public market interest could push the envelope on some of these things. But if my little account buys tan, I yeah, it's not going to really move the envelope.
Even at high, yeah, no, like honestly, it's secondary market is not where we want to have impact, even at fairly high levels of involvement on the part of very
So,
large investors.
I mean, let's just say, is there any purpose at all to owning a solar company?
It's just that like owning a listed solar company, owning the shares of it doesn't help or hurt that solar company on average.
Now we're talking the same deal. It's all secondary market. It's all publicly traded companies. I'm going to value this one and take this one out, tweak this, do that, and I've got my ESG. I'm going to sleep at night, and that's largely BS.
Yeah, it's rearranging deck chairs on the Titanic.